called Majestic Hive. Hello, today we're at Caldwell Manor. It's a mansion in Scotland, because we're back in Scotland. We had a great time in Berlin. You can check out our Berlin videos. We went to a few explores there, so check them out if you've not already. This place we're going to today, we're going to a traditional kind of Scottish mansion, castle type place. So it's going to be a good explore. And it's in the middle of the forest, which makes it even better. Scary stuff. And we have a drone. Yeah, so we're hoping to get some footage with the drone. The battery life in these things aren't great. Half an hour airtime, and if you've not got your footage within that half an hour, then well, you're out of luck. We've been out a few times, just test runs with it. Well, Dean's better at it than me. I kind of crash it a lot. We'll maybe leave that up to him getting some of those shots. I think we're coming up to it just now. It looks like it. Yeah, so today we're at Caldwell House. It was built in 1771 and was designed by the famous architect Robert Adam. Oh. So I think he designed quite a lot of these kind of rural, was that how you say it? Rural kind of buildings. But aye, 1771, that is a good few hundred years old. There has been multiple fires I've read online, but the building still seems to be standing kind of strong, except from the obvious deterioration of it. It was actually a hospital at one point. I think it was 1927 they converted it into a hospital. 1927. It was actually for children with mental illnesses. So you get the usual kind of horror stories for this place. You know, like ghosts and Deans hanging about. Oh, there's a beam to hold it up, man. Yeah, so legend has it there was a secret hidden passage in the basement of this place that led from here to a local town, and it led into like a pub of some sort, but it was never found. So it's supposed to be down in the basement, so hopefully we find access to the basement today and have a look for ourselves to see if we can find it. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Oh, I really hope it doesn't collapse. This really reminds me of our explore at Dalhousie Castle. So if you like this video, definitely check that one out. I think we went there back in March, maybe? Nature's truly taking it back. And we're at the top. So sadly we never found the basement. We made it right up to the top though. Oh, I almost fell. But yeah, it was good. It's a good it's a typical kind of Scottish castle-esque place, but it's really remarkable. It's still standing here after 200 odd years, you know. Yeah, so this place was pretty cool. It's another adventure in the book. We're looking forward to our next one. Like I said, this is our first back in Scotland, so we're looking forward to finding more places like this and putting more videos up for you guys to see. But don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. We'll see you next time.